Hey friends, if you wish to fix live kernel event errors on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. The first solution is to update the driver. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane and select optional updates. You can install all driver updates from here. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay, this will start scanning the system for missing and corrupt files and recover them if possible. The last solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open this. Now this software, this application needs a few seconds to open. Click on next, select full scan, click on next, and it will start scanning the system for malware and remove them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.